Hi students, so we are discussing about animal behaviors. So in last class we discussed the four different types of animal behaviors, like instinct behaviors, like imitations, conditions behaviors. So we discussed different types of behaviors. In today's class we are going to discuss about the human behaviors. Human behaviors. In last class we discussed animals behavior. Today class we discuss human behaviors. In human behaviors also we discussed instinct behaviors, imitations, they imitate each other also. And the last one is conditioning behavior. Conditioning behavior. Instinct. Imitation. Conditioning. Conditioning behavior. What is instinct behavior? So we already learned like reflex arts. So one more instinct behaviors. While we are eating the food, if we seated in front of the tables, all the family members, if we are waiting somebody to come, what happens? How we will behave? Even though you go to any occasions like marriages, like mostly Muslim marriages, you can see the round tables. There is no buffet system. There is a sitting system. So there are salads is there. Salads already they kept. So if food is coming or somebody is going to come or friend is going to come, how we will behave? We will not wait until he comes. We will start eating like salads, like onions, like carrots, like whatever may be. So we will start eating. We will not wait. It's a one type of it's an instinct behavior. It will come instinct. Even though we learn, until we learn, strictly come to somebody, sit with us and start eating. Such type of behavior we can see in instinct behaviors. Next one is imitation. So it's imitating one another. Like we will imitate like heroes. I will follow his trends. I will follow his styles. I will follow the sports styles. So there are so many imitations is there. So ladies especially they will follow. Even ladies, girls also they will follow heroes. Mostly boys they will like hero. Like so many examples I don't know. I don't know their names, but so we will imitate. If they cut the half hairstyle, we will also cut. You can see the sports people like football players. Their cutting style is very different, isn't it? So you can see. So our students, so many people, they will imitate them. వాడు ఎలా చేస్తే మనం కూడా అలా చేస్తాం. They will imitate like this. So like beards, like mouse text cuttings, like using wearing shirts, t-shirts. If they are wearing torn jeans, we will search torn jeans. I don't know what is the torn jeans. I never wear. So అది చిరిగిపోయినదాకా అది torn jeans అంట. చిరిగిపోయిన షర్ట్ ఇట్స్ స్టైల్. Oh, I don't know. So there are so many imitations there. But there are so many students, they are spoiling their life because of smoking. So if the hero smoke, this fellow also smoke. If the heroes drink something, he will also drinking. They will use some drugs. So when you after a few months back, we saw that so many news drugs. Like one Bollywood hero, the one who suicide, Sushant, I think his name is Sushant. He died because of he used so much drugs. Once the drugs started injecting in our body, we can't come out from the problems. We will addicted. Smoking, drinking, so drugs, these are addicted to the peoples. They are spoiling their life. These are very, very dangerous, very, very harmful to our body. Once they will addicted, you can't overcome that. It's very dangerous. You are very far away from these imitations. When you go to cinema, they will fight. This will also come, and they will do action. So like they will also kick somebody. కాలేరు కొట్టేస్తారు, కాలు చేతులు కొడతారు. నువ్వు వాడు యాక్టింగ్ చేసినా వీడు యాక్టింగ్ చేస్తే కాలు చేతులు కొట్టేస్తారు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ డేంజర్ imitations. And the next one is conditioning behavior. So conditioned behavior is the change the behavior of the people's mind. This is like a psychology. People are not thinking about this. For example, we can see in advertisement. In advertisement, they are using their images, their photos, their videos. They are earning crores of rupees. Crores of rupees. For to give one soap of advertisement, like Santur soap or Lux soap, whatever it is soap. The company is using their images, using their videos. They will give around 10 crores rupees for the advertisement. Company is paying to the heroine or heroes around 10 crores or 20 crores for the advertisement. We will not look at the what is the quality of the Lux soap. Just we will look at the whole heroine. Like Aishwarya Rai, like who is the famous heroine? Like Deepika Padukone. There are so many famous heroines. Oh, Deepika Padukone is using Lux soap. I will buy this. So we will not look at the quality of the soap. Just we are looking at the sports people's heroines are this actors. We are looking the actors. Actually, so we don't know the quality of the product. So this is the conditions. They are using their pictures, their videos. Actually, they will use these soaps. Aishwarya Rai or Deepika Padukone, whoever maybe they will use this soap. No, never. It's a cheap quality. They will never use it. They will doing their business to earn the money. It's a conditioning behavior. Like people are very crazy about their fans. I don't know why. Why don't know? For example, if a bottle of water is there, if like whoever is Shah Rukh Khan, if Shah Rukh Khan came and he started drinking the water, half of the drink he drink water. If he want to sell this water, how many people they will come and they want to purchase the water? Rohit Shah Rukh Khan daina water, Chiranjeevi daina water, Pawan Kalyan daina water, Engil water. People are very crazy to buy because it's condition. They learn. They are doing advertisement. Lakhs over 1 lakh ఇస్తాడు, నేను 2 lakhs ఇస్తాడు. ఎందుకు? ఎంగీలు ఎవరు తాగింది? చిరంజీవో, పవన్ కళ్యాణో, సల్మాన్ ఖానో, whoever may be. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బయాలజీ సార్ బాటలు తాగి వాటర్ అమ్మిననుకో ఎవరైనా తీసుకున్నాడా? ఒక్కడు కూడా తీసుకో. ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తారంటే కూడా తీసుకోండి. నో బడీ విల్ బై ద వాటర్ ఈవెన్ దో ఐ గివ్ ఫ్రీ. See how? Then what is the difference between him and me? Say, వానికి నోరు ఉంది, నాకు నోరు ఉంది, నాకు జ్ఞానం ఉంది, వానికి everything is here. What is the difference? I don't know. So, teacher is a very good for the future of the students. Everybody should go to the teachers. నువ్వు లాయర్ అయినా, నువ్వు ఎవరు డాక్టర్ అయినా, సైంటిస్ట్ అయినా, నువ్వు టీచర్ దగ్గర వచ్చి నేర్చుకుని వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తుంది. టీచర్ ఇస్ ఎ వెరీ గ్రేట్ పర్సన్. సో ఐ బిలీవ్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద conditioned behaviors in human beings. We can see some investigation behaviors. Investigations behaviors. Scientists, they will invest so much money, time, everything they will invest to observe the behavior of the animals. Observe the behavior of the animals for day, for hour, for week, for months also. They will wait to capture the picture of the animals. to capture the video of the animals. So they will run into the forest, very dangerous places. Even every picture is available in our textbook because the scientists, they did their work, they did their job, they investigated their time, their talented, their skill, their money, everything, their life, they investigated. So we can see the field investigation and the lab investigation also. They will in lab also they will do so many experiments. In the fields also they will do so many experiments. If you see the Discovery Channel, see the scientists, they will go into the deep waters. They will observe the blue whale structures, different types of fishes, angler fishes. There are so many animals is there in our textbook. So they captured. So they took a video, they took their pictures, and they started investigations. So this is about, they did so many works on the investigation of the plants and the animals. Next, what is tagging? Tagging. So we can see the so many animals, they will move from one place to the other place. They migrate from one place to the other place. For example, the Siberian crane. So they migrate from the Russia to India. West Godavari, Kolleru Lake. Around it's 1,000 kilometers, it will migrate. Scientists, they will capture their videos. They will observe. So they will observe animals. When there is a danger, they will make some sounds. When there is a happiness, they will make the different sounds. So we can see the behavior of the animals also. We can see the behavior of the animals also. So this taggings help scientists to follow the journey of the animals. Journey of the animals. Taggings means it will help the scientists to help the journey of the animals, how they will migrate from one place to the other place, how they will move from one place to the other place, how they will identify, how the ants will identify there is a sugar in the teeth. They will release the pheromones while they are moving from one place to the other place. There are so many scientist reasons there. Next one is, there is so much important for the 4 month lab activity. Lab activity. What is this lab activity? There are 2 scientists, one is Lawrence, another is Pavlov, the one who did experiment on the dog conditioned behaviors. Lawrence and Pavlov, Lawrence and Pavlov. They observed very careful about the behavior of the cockroaches. The behavior of the cockroaches. They took one box. We can do this activity in our home also. It is very, very simple activity. They took a cotton box. So in the cotton box, they have divided 4 chambers in the cotton box. You can take one cotton box. In the middle, we can keep any strong papers or a small cotton pieces between the cotton box. So we have to divide 4 chambers. 4 chambers. So in 4 chambers, there should be a small gap should be there. A small hole should be there. Hole should be there in every chambers, because these cockroaches can move from this room to this room, this room to this room, this room to this room. It's free to move from one place to the another place. But we have to take some precautions here in these 4 chambers. The first chamber from the right, it should be dark and dry. Dark and dry. Dark చీకటి and it should be dry. తడిగా ఉండదు, dark గా ఉండాలి. And the next chamber room, it should be dark and damp. Dark and damp. Dark and damp moistures. And next chamber, it should be light and dry. Light and dry. Light and dry. So 4 chambers should be different. The last one is light and damp. Light and damp. So in 2 chambers light is there, but one chamber is dry, another one is damp. In 2 chambers dark is there, full dark, and so it is a dry damp, dry dark, another is dark and dark. To dry the this light and dry, we can use calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. So this half of the with the dry with the calcium chloride. Use calcium chloride. It should be very dry. And to keep the damp or moisture, we can use some cotton wool. We can use the moisture cotton wools to keep the damp. Tadi unchadiki cotton wools ni use chestam. So there is a gap for the light. We can from the top portion we can make a hole to light can enter into this 2 chambers. So 2 chambers, light and dry, light and damp moistures. Dark, there is no light and it's a dry. Dark and damp. Dark and damp. Now take around 10 or 15 cockroaches. When you take this cockroaches, keep in one room, or else we can keep 4 cockroaches in this dark, light and dry, another 4 light and damp, another 4 dark and dry, another 4 and dry, dark and damp. 4 4s are 16. 4 4 16. If you want to keep more cockroaches also, you can keep in this boxes. So left it for a few minutes or for 1 hour or few minutes. After a few minutes, let's start observing these cockroaches. Let's start observing these cockroaches. What happens? All the cockroaches are in the which chambers they would like? They don't like light. We cannot see the cockroaches in the daytime, in the dry place. We cannot see in the light. Almost we cannot see in the cockroaches in the light. But we can see few cockroaches in the dark and dry. But we can see the plenty of cockroaches in the dark and damp. What is the best place of cockroaches? So that should be full dark and full of AC, 24 hours AC. Where cockroaches will live? In the drainage. Full dark, 24 hours AC, fully AC. Even the winter, summer and rainy season. So this is the behavior of the cockroaches. So scientists like this, they observe, they investigate so much time, so much money, so much efforts, so much skills to observe the behavior of the animals. So which chambers would like to stay the cockroaches? In which chambers we can see the plenty of cockroaches? Dark and damp, wet, moistures. They like this place very much. This is about the behavior of the animals. So today homework. So just you have to write this lab activity. It's very important for 4 marks questions. So then write what is tagging. What is tagging? Right? What is tagging? So draw this picture also. If you want to draw some cockroaches also you can write. Entire lab activity you have to write proper. Okay?